Hey YouTubers, it's me, it's Desi. I'm here, I am alive. Coronavirus has not gotten me. Thank goodness, I hope it hasn't gotten you either. I know that the world is going through a lot of changes right now, and I feel like I should definitely up my presence on YouTube, mainly because I feel like having some commonality and some normalcy is what would quell a lot of people's fears and agitations right now. I know that it's just very difficult to feel normal right now in these times. It's very uncertain. Everything's just so, everyone keeps saying these, very uncertain times. It's because it is. You never know what's going to happen. There's major legislation that's being pushed through here in America that will will affect everybody, in our country. And I just want to say I'm still here. I'm still me. Nothing's changed with me. I'm home. I'm home. That's the only difference. I'm always home. Please take care of yourselves. Use common sense and heed the advice of the CDC, please, to help keep America as strong and the rest of the world as strong as possible. Anyways, so let's get to today's video. Now that I have said all the pleasantries in regards to the coronavirus and all my followers, we're doing another fat freezer today. I actually have it strapped on. You guys can't. It's hidden. You guys thought I just got from B. No, it's fat freezer. I already have my glycerin pad on. It's set up. I have it plugged into the wall. The box is right here. The light is on. I'm ready to go. We are going to do just a short 30-minute on my stomach and take a measurement. I did do an hour last week, and you guys weren't there to see that. It's been about a week and a half since the last video, and just because I don't know. Alexa, what's the date today?
Today is Thursday, March 26th.
That's what day it is. Okay, it's the 26th of March. Thank you. So here we go, guys. I'm about to turn this beautiful contraption on. Lift up my shirt, kick on back. Actually, I'm going to sideways it here. Yes, I have shorts on, and I have two different pairs of socks. I don't want to hear it. One is Bob Ross, the boss, and then I got R2-D2 and C3PO. So, two of my favorite things right there is a Star Wars and Bob Ross. That pretty much describes my personality in a nutshell. So let's go. Happy trees away. We are setting it on 30 minutes, and then we're doing 30 minutes each thigh. And measurements. Let's not forget measurements. It worked. Okay. Hi guys, it's Desi. I'm back. It's been 30 minutes. The thing is done. I can take it off now. Off. Unplug. Unplug. And unplug. Okay. See, look, it still has power in it. It's very dangerous. So this is off. This is done. Glycerin pad, toss that away. Fat freezer, we're going to set you aside because I'm going to use you in a minute. So now that I am done, my belly is cold, we are going to take a measurement. So I'm going to scoot you guys back like I'm doing here. All right. So this is my stomach. This is my stomach. Let's see if I can bring it down even further. All right, let's see. This is my 1 and 2. So
my middle.
Can't read that. What does it say? 26.3? No way. Super sick. Well, that is just awesome. I have this still to go. I still have that. Not happy with that, but overall, am I happy? Sure. Of course I am. I'm thrilled, actually. So, yay. Like I said, this is what I focused on right here today. Wow. Now that I've exposed my belly, And we took some measurements. I don't know how much further down. I'm going to have to look real quick and then tell you guys. But that's definitely down from last time. I'm really close, like very close, like 0.3 of an inch from reaching my goal, which is like 26, which is super cool. It's gone down like, I want to say like 1.5 inches, 2 inches. And I still eat crud and I don't work out. So those are just straight fat freezer results. So awesome. Hey, summer. I'll be out there in my gas mask, just chilling on the beach. You know, I have a gas mask. It's really cool. I might show it to you guys later. It's cool. But let's get to the thighs, the gross thighs. Thighs. Let's look at some cellulite. Let's look at some cellulite. All right, guys. I'm sure you can see, but this is the back. If I can get this to like stay like focused. How do I show like? That's better. But do you see this? Okay, it might not look so bad to you, but it's like really awful to me. Yeah, this is not happy, unhappy, I'm very happy. It's just bulgy, very bulgy, and I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and try and get these lump muffins that you call thighs. Let's get those smoothed out. I'm gonna do 30 minutes on each thigh. Snug under the butt cheek. You know where that little cusp is? The cute little cusp for the butt cheek. That part. That's where we're gonna put it. We're gonna put it right at the cusp. It's gonna be eaten. Just a little, not eating. A sweet kiss to the butt cheek. Just, you know what I'm saying? Just right into the crook. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm like nervous, but I'm very, very, very excited because I really hate my thighs. Like I said, as you guys can see, they are not the, look at that. You see, look at this. It's there. The point is, it's there. Okay, we're going to get rid of it. So I've already laid down a blanket on the ground and I have a pillow right here. And I'm going to lay down and I'll put the camera facing the ground where you guys can see what's going on and we'll get this started. I hope this works. I hate highlights so much. And after I'm done, we'll look at the results. So excited to show you guys my thighs. This is really cold, you guys. I know you guys don't really, you can't tell unless you're doing it, but like I'm telling you, this is really cold. My little pad is getting everywhere under here. Okay. See if I can. Okay, good. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad that's resting perfectly so you're not catching, you know, meow pictures. Oh God, it's cold. Dude, you're welcome, dude. I look ridiculous. And now I need like better lighting, of course. Still not helpful. Hey guys, I'm still here with my under butt freezer. Yeah, I don't know why, but it's really cold on my legs compared to my stomach. Like super freezing. It's uncomfortable, to say the least. All right, guys, it is off. I'm taking this off. I don't know. Let's see. How does it look? Frozen one, not frozen one. So, no, that was it though. I guess I should keep doing this every once in a while and I'll do some measurements, not in this video, but another one of my thighs. And we can see what the progress is or non-progress is of that. But thank you guys again for coming by, seeing this video of my stomach lost more. Excited. And my first very freaking cold. It's like, it's still like ice cold. Like this is baloney. It froze the crud out of my thighs. I would say it's probably gonna be more effective if that's the case. Because it feels cold, it feels like it stayed cold longer. It's probably because there's more fat in my thighs. So maybe there'll be more results there. I'm excited. Thank you guys, and like and subscribe if you haven't. It helps me build a channel, which is awesome. I really want to get to know my viewers and who I'm working with and who's out there, especially during coronavirus. We're quarantined anyways, right? So let's just all have a good time and make the best of it. Goodbye, folks. Goodbye.